In this video, I will show you how to use Marvin Sketch to draw glutathione molecule. We know that glutathione is a tripeptide that comprises of glutamic acid and cysteine and glycine. So let's draw these three building blocks first. We click on the canvas, type glutamic acid, which was GLU. Now you press left button, and next one is C1 as cysteine. So you press this, and you have a glycine. Right? So press ESC to exit, and you have three residues, and you expand the groups. Now you have all these three building block, and we know that the peptide bond between the glutamic acid and the cysteine is a isopeptide. That means the side chain forms the peptide bond with the amine instead of the alpha carbonyl. So we have to rotate this molecule. So we select and we rotate. So we have this carboxyl group, and we need to make a peptide bond between these two with the cysteine. So we rotate the cysteine to make it in the right orientation. We don't want to change the structure, then we build a bond between these two. So we know that the bond is supposed to form the carbonyl group to the nitrogen. And this is actual, we select and delete this, right? Now, the next one is the carboxyl group of the cysteine to the amine group of the glycine. So we move the glycine here. We turn around, make sure it's in the right orientation. We build a bond between these two. Okay. Now this is not a nice looking molecule, so we want to clean up. We select the whole molecule and we do a structure cleanup. See, so this is much better, and we undo it and we select and move. Now let's take a look. This group is a carbonyl group. This is supposed to be the carboxyl group. So we need to add a hydroxyl group. So we first add a bond, then we change the bond to the carboxyl group. Okay, now this one is also not right, so we need to add a second single bond, change this to the carboxyl group. Now you have this glutamic acid isopeptide bond and the glycine, right? So you also want to change the charge. So this is supposed to be positive charged, and the carboxyl group is supposed to be carboxylate group. Now this is the chemical structure of glutathione. So draw this on your own laptop and have fun.